Want to make a stylish design like this? I'll guide you through every step in Photoshop. First, add a new layer. Fill this with a color. Press Alt and Backspace keys. Again. Add a new layer above it. Draw a rectangle like this. Fill it with a color. Go to the Filter menu. Blur. Gaussian blur. Keep the blur value like this. Hit OK. Add another layer above it. Draw a shape like this. And fill with color. Get the marquee tool. And while holding the Alt key, draw a shape outward. Fill this one also with color. Select this layer. And add a new layer above it. Right-click. Select Create Clipping Mask. Change the foreground color to black. Brush both sides like this. In the middle area, brush lightly as shown. Reduce the opacity of this layer. Now, go to Filter. Blur. Gaussian blur. Adjust the value. Hit OK. Select the top layer. Add a new layer above it. Right-click. And choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the foreground to white. Brush over like this. Reduce the opacity. Again, go to Filter. Blur. Gaussian blur. Adjust the value. Hit OK. Now we'll add the subject. Drag the image. And place it here. Resize a little and position it. Next, add a shadow under it. Add a new layer. Set the foreground color to black. Click once using a soft brush. Press Alt and T to transform it. Shape it like this. And position it. Now let's make a reflection of the subject. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate it. Right-click. And choose Flip Vertical. Drag it down. And place it like this. Add a mask to this layer. Set the foreground color to black. Select the Gradient tool. Choose the Linear Gradient. Drag from bottom to top. Now the reflection is added. Add a new layer above. Set foreground to white. Choose the brush tool. Select a cloud-shaped brush. You could have saved this brush earlier. If not, let me know in the comments. Reduce the opacity. Finally, add your text. That's all. If the video is useful, please hit the bell icon for everyday update. Thanks for watching.